Hi. It's time to learn about bugs. Ant. Bee. Butterfly. Spider. Fly. Mosquito. Ladybug. Grasshopper. Cricket. Cockroach. Beetle. Dragonfly. Caterpillar. Moth. Firefly. Your turn. This is an ant. Ant. This is a bee. Bee. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. This is a spider. Spider. This is a fly. Fly. This is a mosquito. Mosquito. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. This is a grasshopper. Grasshopper. This is a cricket. Cricket. This is a cockroach. Cockroach. This is a beetle. Beetle. This is a dragonfly. Dragonfly. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. This is a moth. Moth. This is a firefly. Firefly. Let's review. What bug is this? Spider. What bug is this? Cricket. What bug is this? Mosquito. What bug is this? Caterpillar. What bug is this? Ant. What bug is this? Cockroach. What bug is this? Moth. What bug is this? Bee. What bug is this? Dragonfly. What bug is this? Ladybug. What bug is this? Firefly. What bug is this? Butterfly. What bug is this? Grasshopper. What bug is this? Beetle. What bug is this? Fly. Let's review. Which one is the butterfly? This. Which one is the dragonfly? This. Which one is the moth? This. Which one is the firefly? This. Which one is the fly? This. Which one is the beetle? This. Which one is the cockroach? This. Which one is the cricket? This. Which one is the grasshopper? This. Which one is the spider? This. Which one is the mosquito? This. Which one is the bee? This. Which one is the ladybug? This. Which one is the caterpillar? This. Which one is the ant? This. Last review. Ant. Bee. Butterfly. Spider. Fly. Mosquito. Ladybug. Grasshopper. Cricket. Cockroach. Beetle. Dragonfly. Caterpillar. Moth. Firefly. Good job.
Bye!